Do you want to show us some of your wares? Because I know you've got a bit here. Some of the new model kits.
Oh, so you meant
some of your wares.
Some of the stuff that I wear.
No.
How about this?
What is it?
I got some art.
What? Otter?
Seals.
Oh, of course. Are they naval ones?
I would say so.
It's funny that they call them seals, isn't it? Because you wouldn't want to leak.
Excuse me?
In the boat.
Oh, no, you wouldn't want that, would you?
You want seals. You wouldn't want leaks.
Oh, yeah, now I know what you're getting at. All right, let's have a look inside.
That was awkward.
Wasn't it?
A little bit.
Wasn't it? That was more awkward at the beginning. So these are by Gecko Models. Gecko Models is a reasonably new manufacturer of kits.
Gecko.
It's been around maybe 3-4 years.
Is that all?
And it's another Chinese brand which aims towards quite high quality.
Really?
Yeah. So a lot of the high quality
What does Gecko
kits,
specialize in?
They do specialize in British armor stuff, which is quite rare. Not a lot of brands, like you expect Airfix to have a lot of British stuff, but they don't. So they're doing British figures and things. And this is a little bit different. This is an American Navy SEAL.
American, heck yeah.
And it's basically a diorama in a box. Comes with a base.
Show.
You want to have a look?
I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
What do you mean comes with a diorama?
Yeah, it's diorama.
Comes with a cup of water.
Hey? No, but it comes with water.
Fake water.
Yeah, not real water.
Reflective water.
Everyone's got real water at home. Don't need to pack that.
Have you ever used the water balls?
Excuse me?
You know, the water balls.
What, those pellet things?
Yeah.
Oh,
the woodland scenic.
That's what you used in the 1970s.
Is
That's
it?
still around for the people that are familiar with the stuff from the 1970s. There's actually a bit of stuff out there now. So those little balls are what you put. The instructions show you to put it in a saucepan and stick it on the stove.
Yes.
And melt it, and then pour it all over your model.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was yes.
Yeah. So
And then you
saw that.
You can do it with a heat. You can shape it a little bit with like a heat gun.
That's
apparently
right.
once it's applied.
That's right.
But I question whether you'd actually be melting your model.
Well, I don't know if you'll melt it at that temperature. You probably just set it on fire. It would just look like a bushfire's coming through.
Yeah,
So that's
water, so it's all right.
that's right. So that's another way of getting realistic effects. But what we're looking at here is actually the water effect. So that's molded in plastic.
Ah, plastic water.
Yeah. So you can see how you got the shape of the boat. So that just
I can't
sits into it.
You're going
Okay.
to show an overhead probably.
What do you mean? Oh,
If you show them in the overhead,
that would probably help, wouldn't it?
yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go. You can see it now.
It's got a cutout.
Yeah.
Looks like a Pac-Man creature negative mold.
Yeah. And then on the top here, it's actually been sculpted into
So you
waves.
could even put like white caps or something on there, couldn't
Yeah,
you?
you
You
would
could
just
go to
dry
town.
brush that.
You would. You'd go to town on
Oh, you're
that.
talking about me personally?
Yes.
Yeah, I probably would.
You'd probably throw that out and make another one.
Yep. So there's the water.
Water.
And then here are the
Vestiges.
sides for making your base.
Base.
Mm.
Oh, so it comes a whole plinth.
Yeah, the whole plinth comes with it. So plinth and this sits on top of it.
Did that come with your kit over there?
No, I had to make that. I cut
Really?
that out of wood.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't?
This is very unusual. This. Get all that. So there you go. There's your instant diorama.
Instant.
And then we've got all the little bits. And you wouldn't think there'll be much bits for a boat, but there's a heap. So this is where the Chinese with the high quality comes in. They make a whole heap of parts. The more parts, the more detail. And so that's actually one figure just here.
One.
There's probably 20 parts to it.
Hmm.
And 35th scale.
I like it.
You like it?
35th
And
scale. The rubber
One
ducky.
thing to judge is always to look at how good the face sculpts are.
Nan, turn the music down. Bloody hell.
Just come back from a rave. So yeah, very nice.
Crisp.
Beautiful.
Clean.
Yeah. Okay, so they're just the figures. And then we've got some weaponry.
Ooh.
Heap of weaponry there. And
Well,
then
it's American.
there's-
Got to have weapons.
Oh, that's right. And then that's the boat bits. So the boat bits are actually quite simple compared to each individual figure.
They really put a lot of effort into the people, don't they?
They do. They do.
And
then
firearms. I don't think
Yeah,
it's got
also-
metal edge.
you got photo edge. Okay, there's a photo edge for the weapon straps and for the tie downs.
Oh.
Bit of copper wire.
And we've got what have we got in there with guns?
Oh, so this is the manual. So it's
Wow,
it's quite a thick
a
manual,
really nice manual, no?
isn't it? Quite thick.
Not as thick as some.
Here's a legend for all your bits.
Oh,
And that's each figure. And
Ah.
you see each one of these numbers is an individual
It's in
part.
the Bushman's pose.
Bushman suppose.
Yep.
And there's your boat with the pontoons. More
Really
bits, your
nice.
outboard. And that's what it looks like on the base.
Not painted, of course.
Yeah, before you paint it up.
So you have to buy paint
Yeah. Paint would be a good idea.
if you want to paint it.
Yeah, unless you want them to look grey. Look how good it is. And all that in one box.
It's amazing.
Yeah, because I mean, it can be quite a bit of effort to create a diorama. You know, like this. You need all the bits and pieces to make all the grass and things. But this is
Yeah,
already
but
there.
you love that. You just remake this anyway.
Yeah, I would. I sculpted it out of nothing.
That's right. Whittle it
That's right.
on your rocking chair. No?
Give me a can of expanding foam. I'll make you anything. What? Was that an awkward moment again?
Make it. Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Didn't you like that?
No, I didn't know what to say.
Oh, didn't you?
I didn't know where to take it with
Sometimes
expanding
it's
foam.
best if you just don't say anything.
Well, that's what I did. But now you're calling it awkward. Awkward.
Not that awkward. What do we got here? Anyone else guessing?
Card
Oh,
of the
people are
week.
guessing weights.
Are they?
Yeah.